Enjoy hassle-free living in the beautiful Tredegar community. Located in the heart of the Triad, this townhome has it all. The open floor plan is perfect for entertaining with vaulted ceilings that create an even more spacious and open environment. All the rooms are well lit with natural light. In cooler seasons, curl up and relax in front of the warm, cozy gas fireplace in the living room. The eat-in kitchen has an ideal layout with all appliances. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath brick home with 1-car garage offers storage galore with a full unfinished basement. The tranquility of the pond from the back deck or downstairs patio will call you home every day to enjoy its beauty. The Homeowners Association takes care of the exterior maintenance and yard work. Easy living within minutes of shopping and dining. Don't wait. This one will go fast. Schedule a showing today so you can enjoy the peace and quiet of Tredegar.